guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. This one is from a company called Recool Hair. This is my second time ordering from this company and I'm in love. I kept the hair in its natural state. I will insert a clip of how it looked when it first arrived to me. It looked like they put some like body curls in it. Super cute, but I always wash the hair before I get it. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck the hairline just in case you guys wanted to know. This is 20 inches. Let me kind of show it to you guys. This is where the hair is hitting me. I'm 5'5", super cute. It is 180 density. I'm gonna link everything below in case you guys are interested. Hope you guys enjoy and let's hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
So you guys, this is the box. It's Recool Hair. I'm gonna show you guys everything it comes with. Dust bag, wig cap, clips, headband, comb, eyelashes, a bonnet, lit. Here's the wig. It does have 4 combs, an adjustable strap, and it's just bomb. This is it straight out of the package. Air dried. I always wash my hair. I did bleach the knots and pre-pluck the hairline in the beginning, as I showed you guys. I think it's mondo. It's mandatory. You need to do it so you guys can ensure the best hair install. Now I'm going to take my adhesive glue. This is the Erica J watermelon flavor, and I'm just putting it all over my hairline. I'm only going to go in with 1 coat. That's why you guys see it's a pretty thick coat. And then I'm going to go in and smear it out. You got to get it as flat as you can, because if you have any humps and lumps, you're going to see that through your wig install. So I'm just flicking it out with making it as smooth as possible. Next thing that I'm going to do is go in with my duvolle blow dryer. You guys, I have a coupon code jdevinci. It saves you 70% off. I love this. I love this blow dryer. Okay, it does come with 3 different attachments, a hair diffuser if you guys have curly hair, and then these 2 skinny toggles. I love it. It's sleek. It's got 2 settings from cool to hot, and then 3 different blow temperatures. Okay, love this. In the past, I hadn't been blow drying my hair. I literally would just put it on with kind of like just let it air dry, but using a blow dryer literally helps melt that lace and it lasts a little longer. So now I am just putting the wig on my hairline. I literally put it on that actual glue. I really like this lace. I like how transparent it is. And if you were lighter than me, you can finesse the wig. If you were darker than me, you can finesse the wig. It's not like a medium brown lace where, you know, the lace is dark, but I really do like it. Now I'm taking that comb that came with my little hair, my Recool box, and I am pressing it into the hairline. What you guys are going to see me do next is take the blow dryer again on a cool setting, and I'm just further melting that glue in. I am so out of breath, but I'm so excited. I love voiceovers. What's going to come next? Elastic band. Definitely not a necessity. I think it's a necessity after you've cut off all the lace, but I still went in and then I went back in with my blow dryer because it's been raining out here. So I did not want my wig coming off in the middle of the holiday party. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. You guys stay safe and do the best you can. Make sure you loved your loved ones. Here we are. Wig is on there. Cutting off the ear tabs. Low key, I feel like this is the hardest part in putting on a wig because you don't want to cut too much off. You don't want to cut the hair to make it look crazy. This is literally the hardest part of installing a wig, I would say. Next, we're going to actually cut the lace. When I cut the lace, I like to do the middle tab and then the 2 tabs on the side because it just makes cutting the lace a little easier. Make sure you have your little razor comb, and that's going to help as well. I like to cut off as much lace as I can. Some ladies like to leave lace on, but in real life, you can see the lace. Like, I don't care how transparent, how HD the lace is. If you leave a bunch of lace on, you're going to see it and you're going to have to finesse it with dramatic baby hairs, which is okay. So yeah, I'm just cutting the lace off. And I personally think that I should have bleach the knots 1 more time. These knots were a little bit stubborn, so I just went in once, but I could have definitely bleached it twice. This is what the hairline looks like without any baby hairs, and as you guys can see, I am going in with baby hairs. What I failed to show you guys was after I cut the baby hairs, I curled it with a flat iron. You guys know Tay, he put us all on. I flipped it out and then I swooshed those baby hairs, and then boom, that bad boy is getting out. Bye. So you guys, this is how the hair turned out. I actually kept it in its natural texture. I did not straighten it, do anything. It's kind of like a slight body wave. Perfect for this weather that we have in California. It's currently been raining. So what I did not want to do is straighten the hair or curl the hair and then go out and we have a hot mess. I love it. I think it's super cute. It's definitely 20 inches for anybody wondering. I'll put the specs below. I believe this hair is supposed to be 180 density. And it's definitely really thick. I did do some baby hairs on the side. Granted, I don't think that it needed baby hairs, but what I did do was bleach the knots and I plucked the hairline a bit. I think bleaching the knots, I could have bleached it one more time and it would have looked perfectly. So I don't think that the knots were the best to bleach. Like, they were a little on the stubborn side to bleach, but I did pluck at the hairline a bit. When it came to the lace, I do love the lace. I didn't put any makeup on the lace. I feel like it's a nice transparent lace. Definitely a universal lace for all skin complexions, because some lace isn't. And some wig companies don't give you that option to opt in for like a transparent HD lace. Sometimes they just send you medium brown laces and I do not like that. But I like this hair. It's super soft, definitely very carefree, a go-to everyday style for me. And I'm really here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Haven't experienced any tangling. I did experience some shedding, but of course that happened after I cut the hair. I didn't experience any shedding during the process of like putting on the hair, washing the hair, no tangling, nothing like that. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment sections. It is a 13x4, definitely a nice beefy 13x4. The sides, they do have a little bit of areas on the side for you to, you know, customize your lace. It's not like a T-part, and I personally don't really like T-part wigs unless it's a curly wig and I'm just trying to throw it on and go. But if it is a T-part wig that is like a straight wig, I'm not really into it because it just makes it harder to customize the hairline and make it your own. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on my next one.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.